Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Item 20.
2, Your Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Lordship.
22. After 2 weeks on the prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, item number 20, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here I am praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
Same order. Yes.
Much
Obliged,
obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship. In this matter, we are supposed to file the objection to their substitute application, Your Lordship. It's ready, Your Lordship. Only the signature were yet to obtain, so I humbly pray another 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
You are appearing for the petitioner in this matter.
Yes.
But there is an application of substitution filed by whom?
By the
Filed by
respondent.
me.
Oh yes, that is okay. Okay, we'll just simply adjourn it then. Just. Or that application for substitution is registered as a separate case.
Separate list.
Is it there in the list?
No,
Yes, it is there. Which one?
Substitution petition is at
80. And what is
80.
that 87?
substitution is
80.
80.
And what?
87 is stay.
Filed by the petition.
Okay, so just then we need to pass order in that 80 it means.
Yes,
if you
80.
need time,
yes,
isn't it?
Yes,
80 is pending for filing.
the objection.
So wait, let the matter be called. Yes. You just make your prayer.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if the matter can come up after 2 weeks, I'm feeling a little under the weather today.
What is the matter about?
Quashing of FIR, Your Lordship.
What matter? What offense?
Your Lordship, this is a matrimonial dispute, Your Lordship.
A settlement agreement has also been entered between the parties, my lord. It was also brought on record.
Between parties. You are representing the husband.
Husband and wife both, they've jointly
are
filed
both
the
petitioners,
petition,
Your
my lord.
There is a joint petition.
Joint petition.
Okay, that is why you need.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, just one prayer made by Ms. Janan. London G. You are still GA, London GA.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. There is no change of her designation. No. And council appearing for the state respondents. This is a matter of 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Beg to mention item 21.
Yes.
Your Lordship, it's a joint prayer, Lordship. 2 weeks' time.
John prayer made with the parties solicited for 2 weeks. Yes.
Lord, I would like to make a mention of item number 25, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
Item
Number 25, Your Lordship.
25.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Lordship.
What is the matter about that?
This
Also
is
quashing matter.
Watch matter.
What offense?
It's under forgery, Your Lordship.
There is no compromise. Here.
We have proposed, Your Lordship, but they do not want to compromise. So, the matter. After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Prayer of Mr. Have you appeared for?
I'm for respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
Learning Council appearing for the response. This is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
Yes.
Lordship, I humbly pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship, to file an additional affidavit.
Why additional affidavit is needed?
Lordship, in this matter, we have to bring on record the marriage certificate and also the charge sheet, Lordship.
Is there any order allowing you to file
Last
file
time,
a marriage certificate? Is there an order passed in the matter?
The last occasion, the petitioner made a prayer before this honorable court to allow the petitioner to bring on record those documents.
So was it allowed?
That
You have not checked, even did not bother to check the order also.
yes, Lordship, it's allowed, Lordship.
Where is the order? Then we have to see the order. Wait, we'll just see. We'll just see. If you want time for filing affidavit Then we'll just wait to let the matter be called. Wait the matter. Let the matter be called. Make your prayer that time. We'll just check the order.
Hello, please.
My Lordship, I beg to item number 24.
Item number?
24.
Yes.
This pertains to the matter pending before the division bench lordship.
Romantic relationship.
Yes.
Okay. 2 weeks there. When the other matter is coming up?
That is 25th lordship.
Of November.
November, yes, lordship.
After 3 weeks then. It's all right. We'll wait. No.
Make it 4 weeks, lordship. Then it will come after.
Up. Make
25.
Yes, 4 weeks. 24. One prayer made by the parties. Distributed. 4 weeks. Yes.
Duly causeless, item number 1. May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm seeking for some time, Your Lordship, to file our objection. I'll be filing by tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Objection to?
Objection to the restoration petition, misapplication, Your Lordship.
Oh, that is a restoration application.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And you say it has been dismissed twice.
Twice, Your Lordship. On default, Your Lordship.
Okay. Give her one more chance.
Your Lordship.
You file it, do not delay it. If
Yes, Your
restoration is. Okay, on prayer made by. MS Ilingua, GA. Appearing for the state respondents. This will order in the miss case, okay? And state respondents. For the 2 weeks time is granted for filing objection.
Right, Lordship. Item number 2.
Yes, lordship. I am praying for another 2 weeks time to have the instruction, lordship. I have taken the step, lordship. I am waiting for instruction, lordship.
What is the matter about?
This is a rejection of Jimma
Lordship.
of vehicle, which was seized in connection of Umiam PS case, and the case was charge sheeted.
You are the
Now
registered owner.
yes, Your Lordship.
And why it was rejected?
It was rejected because the case is pending.
That NDPS.
NDPS case is pending.
NDPS.
So, keeping in the vehicle in the PS will not serve any purpose, Lordship. And I am the registered owner of the vehicle. If vehicle is registered,
There is a provision for confiscation of the property if this, the offence is proved. Is it?
Yes,
Is it there?
Lordship. Yes.
Yes, lordship. That is
It
that
is
is
there.
provision of
It is there.
confiscation.
Yes, that is the
Yes.
reasons for rejection.
But interim Jimma could be given, and that is the
That is
outcome of
that is why
the
just-
case only. Huh?
Yes, we'll just see to it, and then probably there are decisions that are affected by the apex court.
Yes.
Yes,
for
Lordship,
release of
recently
vehicle
also.
and all.
Yes.
There are more than one decision. Just see.
Yes.
When
2 weeks, lordship. 2 weeks, lordship. In the meantime, I'll try to instruction.
by Mr. Lord GA. 2 weeks time is granted for obtaining necessary instruction. Yes, list accordingly.
Item number 3.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, I pray in this matter, Lordship, we have to take steps. So I pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship. The respondent number 1 in this matter, Your Lordship, has.
Who is respondent number 1?
Private respondent, my lord, and
respondent.
2 and 3 state pro forma respondents.
Your performance.
Pro forma, my lord.
On the last date, Sir Sen was appearing on behalf of the.
Probably
body.
he was there only to inform.
Yes.
We reprise this honorable court that we were representing the respondent number 1 before the
Yes.
trial court.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lord.
Yes. That has been taken note of. On the last occasion, the submission was made. Now, in such a
Now-
case, it becomes petitioner's duty to take necessary steps. isn't
Yes,
it?
Your Lordship.
Now, but then who is the plaintiff in the suit there, in the trial court?
It was this lady.
The Nebulin
The
that.
plaintiff.
Yes.
She has expired.
Okay. So you were the defendant. You were the.
Yes, Your
defendant.
Lordship.
So that means actually substitution has to be effected fast in the trial.
In the trial.
Exactly, lordship.
We have filed
Will-
proper application now before the trial court for substitution.
Oh, you have filed.
Yes, I filed and copies have also been.
Yes, I have received copies also.
So after substitution is effected there, then it can be affected here also. I mean, like this fresh application has to be filed here, isn't it?
Exactly.
Probably
So
it
it'll
won't
take
go
some
much.
time, Lordship.
Anyway, on prayer made by Learned Counsel with the petitioner. How much time you need then?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Matter is adjourned for 2 weeks to enable the petitioner
About 3 weeks.
to take appropriate step with regard to the substitution of the respondent number 1. List according. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Lordship, in this matter, we have already taken steps.
So what is to be, ID card has not been received. So what is to be done? What is the address? Where it is to be served? Is it in Shillong or outside
It's in
Shillong?
Shillong. It's in Shillong.
It should have been served by now.
Address is GS Road, Shillong.
The notice was issued on 13th and should have been. Anyway, you will verify?
I'll verify, madam, and file an affidavit of service.
Yes.
Interim order may kindly be extended, madam.
Yes, the Learned Counsel. What is petitioner submits that notice was issued to the sole respondent. There is only one respondent, isn't it?
Sole respondent.
This to the sole respondent. The notice has already has been issued to the sole respondent, but till date. But submit report is still awaited. Or you do one thing. You just say office note indicates that service report upon the sole respondent is yet to be received. Stop. The petitioner shall verify the status of service and file an affidavit to that effect. List after 2 weeks.
I don't know, the interim order may kindly be.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Much obliged.
Item number 5.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, we have taken steps in this matter. Your Lordship, we have served notice to private respondent number 2 and number 3.
But then service report is yet to be received.
Your Lordship, I have been instructed that the notice have been served.
How do you know? It has not been. You have been instructed, then you file an affidavit that your instruction has to be based on something, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you verify the status and file an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is better. Yes. The office note indicates that the service report upon respondent number 2 and 3 is yet to be received. Stop. The petitioner shall verify the status and serve an affidavit to that effect. List after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Obliged, Lordship. Item number 6 to 19.
yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, Your Lordship, in this matter, we will require some more time. It appears, Your Lordship, that when they had examined the matter, land acquisition proceedings had not been initiated for 23 villages, Your Lordship. So they have just approved the notification under Section 11 just recently, Your Lordship. So in order to calculate
How
the
many villages are
compensation,
involved here in the matter? My lord.
about 50. A number of villages, Your Lordship. I don't have the exact number, but
See, our order speaks about preparation of draft award.
yes, Your Lordship.
Meaning thereby the proceeding was already initiated.
Your Lordship, yes. For a certain
Now,
number of
to
villages,
say
it has
that
started.
has not been initiated at this stage,
My lord, I'll just quickly respond. In item number 19, lordship, that I have enclosed the notification, lordship, because so far as the southwest Garo Hills is concerned, there are 7 aking, lordship. That part has already been notified in way back 2000.
That has been concluded, Your Lordship. Your
award
Lordship,
where-
I'm talking.
See, madam, if you issue separate notification for acquisition of land in separate villages,
Yes, Your Lordship.
then you prepared separate award.
That's-
It
Your
has to be
Lordship,
separate
here, because
award.
it includes
Just because
two
you have not
different
initiated
districts.
land acquisition in some places cannot be a ground for non-preparation.
Your Lordship, yes. Your Lordship, here it involves 2 separate districts, Your Lordship. For Southwest Garo Hills, the award has already been forwarded to the authorities, Your Lordship. It has been forwarded to the union also. We're waiting for placement of funds, Your
That
Lordship.
is why, lordship, what
But
I'm
for
saying.
South Garo Hills, Your Lordship, for Bagmara area, Your Lordship, some villages, Your Lordship, the land acquisition process was not initiated at that
You can
time.
understand that, but then you prepare award where it has been initiated.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then that cannot be. You see, wherever it has not been initiated, you issue notification,
That,
and you should have done it by now.
yes, Your Lordship.
You do one thing, you file an affidavit, put
Your
it
Lordship.
everything in one affidavit.
Otherwise, lordship, that the villages where that notification has already been issued and the award has already been given, lordship, that is the southwest Garo Hills, lordship, that there is no dispute with
See, how
regard
many
to.
writ
That
petitions
has
are
been
there?
forwarded, Your Lordship, to the
My lord,
ministry.
so far as southwest Garo Hills is concerned, the Rajishan, that item number,
How many so far as now? See, there are
There are
this,
two,
in
lordship.
this matter, it appears that many writ petitions are clubbed
there are
together.
2, lordship.
There are 14 writ petitions, Your
Yes,
Lordship,
14 writ petitions clubbed
in
together.
total.
Item number
Now,
19,
out of
and
these
Rajishan.
14
Yes.
petitions,
Item number
my God,
19.
there are many. So there in some cases there are more than 100, 357 petitioners. So it covers which area? Garo Hills. Is it the Garo Hills? Yes.
Southwest Garo
It
Hills
covers
and South
South
Hills, Your
Garo Hills
Lordship.
and Southwest Garo Hills, Your Lordship.
Southwest, South Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills.
Southwest Garo Hills, there are
South and Southwest.
Your Lordship, with regard to Southwest Garo Hills,
There are
the award has been forwarded to the ministry, Your Lordship, for placement of funds.
So-
So we're awaiting that.
My lord, that is why if it
Is it
is
correct?
dealing, lordship,
Is it correct? The submission of Dr. Mujika was that award has not been prepared. So, but
Your
they said
Lordship,
money has been
as
deposited already.
per my instructions, Your Lordship, they have.
You do one thing, madam. You file an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll do that.
File one common affidavit stating
Your
the
Lordship.
reason for non-preparation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That will solve the problem.
Your Lordship.
and it can be dealing after the affidavit, lordship. If that some of the villages that award is yet to be finalized and the sum of the village award has already been concluded, only that they need to make the payment, lordship. That is so far as the southwest Garo Hills is concerned, lordship. I don't think that there is any dispute with regard to the
See, this case is all along pending for preparation of award. If in some place award has been prepared, then definitely the necessary thing will follow.
while they are not doing, this is 3006, lordship.
In which areas you do one thing?
Yes, lordship.
Let them file an affidavit.
Yes, lordship.
Disclosing the reason of non-preparation.
Yes.
Okay. And after receiving the affidavit, you can file your response if you find that these are statements or not. Otherwise, what is the solution? Just tell us. Or maybe you have to then argue on merits. What is your prayer in the writ petition?
My lord, only to release, lordship. So far as my writ petition, southwest Garo Hills is concerned, there is no dispute
So
that
why
they,
this, if you have a separate prayer for your writ petition, why these all writ petitions are clubbed
my
together?
lord, subsequently some of the writ petition has filed with regard to some other district, lordship. And in my case, lordship, 10% has already been released, lordship.
But then why everything, all these matters are clubbed together?
Because this is relating to border fencing, lordship. That is why. My case, lordship.
If cause of action is different, in your
Yes.
case you want amount to be paid, some other cases they want award to be prepared.
In my case, 10% has already been given, lordship.
Then why it is clubbed together then?
Your Lordship, actually, the matter has been
Yes,
matter has been clubbed together because it refers to second phase of fencing. Second phase fencing.
Okay.
So this area, the border area, are co-joined together. So actually, the fencing, the second phase fencing was done together. So that's the only reason why it was
No, but then
clubbed
here
together.
it appears that Mr. Paske, the cause of action are separate. So far as cases, different cases concerned, Mr. Shaikh says that in his case only compensation is required to be paid. There are other cases where award
Yes,
is
Your
award to
Lordship.
be prepared.
And 10% has already been given, Lordship, out of the final award. That is on record. This is the
That
second
was
round.
done, Your Lordship, for Southwest Garo Hills.
Yes. So why I am praying,
But
Lordship,
then why this order has been passed for such a long time for preparation of award?
Your Lordship, meetings were held with the union also, Your
So it
Lordship,
means
because of the delay in this matter, Your Lordship. So what the union, what the ministry has said is, Your Lordship, to forward the award, Your Lordship, to them so that they can place the funds. So in order for us to do that, Your Lordship, we have to prepare the notifications under the Act before the draft award can be calculated, Your Lordship.
There was one also inquiry also that is reflected in the order dated 23/2/2023 to be conducted by BSF.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if the instruction is very clear, so far South Karo Hills, Bakmara, your Lordship, this issue is going to be resolved, your Lordship. But
this issue is going to be?
It's going to be resolved, your Lordship. Kindly, if Lordship, kindly have the instruction which we are. Okay. Kindly have the instruction, your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see, with reference to the subject cited and letter cited above, and as per direction of the Honorable High Court, I am directed to inform you that regarding Indo-Bangladesh fencing in South Karo Hills, Bakmara, and Southwest Karo Hill, Ampati, the state government and the deputy commissioner concerned are taking necessary steps to resolve the issue of pending compensation for land. After thorough examination of all relevant documents with the ADC South Karo Hills, Bakmara, it was detected that the land acquisition proceedings were not yet initiated for 23 villages from BP number so-and-so to so-and-so. The amount of compensation that was prepared by the Deputy Commissioner South Karo Hill, Bakmara, was only an estimate on the basis of assessment, so the draft award cannot be final without land. However, to prepare the final draft, a certain section of the Act are required to be followed. That is correct, and steps have been initiated for South Karo Hills. In the case of South West Karo Hill, Ampati draft award have been forwarded to the ministry. Lordship, kindly see for Southwest Karo Hill, Ampati draft award have been forwarded to the Ministry of Home Affairs as the land acquisition proceedings are completed. Kindly see, Your Lordship, in all aspects in the districts. In all aspects in the district since long, and once the compensation is placed with the collector, the same can be disposed to the landowners. Land acquisition in Southwest Karo Hill district were able to be completed with the disbursement of 10%. 10% have already been disbursed, Your Lordship. But in South Karo Hills, Bakmara, the same amount could not be initiated as the fund have not been deposited.
What about the rest of the 90% so far as the places?
So, Lordship, because Lordship, we are only the we are only the implementing agency, Your Lordship. Once the money from the central government comes to the fund of the deputy commissioner, Your Lordship, the collector, then they will be disbursed, Your Lordship.
No, then 10% you disburse from where?
Southwest, Lordship.
No, that is okay. Where from you got the fund?
That is already 10% had already been deposited.
Some amount has already been deposited.
They have also
Yes,
received.
Dr. Mojiga, it seems that the draft award with regard to empathy was forwarded to you, and then 10% has been paid there, and the rest of the amount could not be paid because you are.
Or they are taking a different turn now, madam. And all along, there's a direction by Ministry, my lord, to the state government, because here the compensation land was acquired way back, 1980s and 1990s. So
Have you seen the copy of the instruction which has been given to?
just now they placed, my lord.
Just read it, and you will find that with regard to 23 villages, no proceeding has already been initiated till date, and only with regard to empathy, a draft award was prepared. It was forwarded to you, and 10% of the.
That is long
estimated
time back. That
Long time
10%
back.
long time back has been paid, Your Lordship.
2019, Lordship.
So,
The writ petition also, they would not dispute that fact. Your
90.
but
Lordship.
then in this all this writ petition, we passed a common order for preparation of draft award there by the state, and that is based upon your submission.
Lordship, what I'm
No, but that's what I'll submit for you. What we have said.
For empathy, Your Lordship, that draft award has already been forwarded to the Ministry of.
They can give me a copy, madam. What draft award has been forwarded. So
Lordship, that,
I'll send it to them. Because
Lordship,
that is only with regard to empathy, my lord, because here the other districts are also in question.
That's okay. Other thing is his submission is that no accusation has been initiated. So where is the question of preparation of draft?
My lord, when land has already been taken over, for example, my lord, some land has been taken over. No
The
proceedings were initiated at that point of time because this is a matter of 1980s, 1990s, my lord. Some 30 years, 40 years back. So that is why the ministry wrote to them, my lord, that please identify and give us the calculation how much money the union
Will
has
be
to pay.
required, and accordingly, then the notification will be published only. After this draft award is prepared, it means
It's
after
a
the estimate is
post-facto
prepared.
acquisition, if necessary, has to be carried out. That's the only way out.
See,
Lordship,
if you say draft award, it carries two meaning. One is draft prepared by the collector, forwarded for approval. After the acquisition proceeding is.
My lord, that is in usual course when land has not been
So
acquired.
that is what. So that is the
Here land is
confusion
already-
is that we said the order says the preparation of draft award.
Yes.
So that is perhaps so far as these matters are concerned, at no point of time it was pointed out that the acquisition proceeding has not begun.
My lord, that is
Just
application.
see the order sheets right from the.
My lord, the word award is used in not in that exact sense of the act.
It is a kind of estimate.
Estimate.
My lord, there is
Now see, Dr. Mojiga, one thing. What this draft award has to do, so far as the initiation of land acquisition proceeding is concerned, you have already taken over the land. So whatever the money you have to pay the amount.
The amount the state has to tell us, my lord, what is the amount.
See-
That is the question, my lord. But here what happened, my lord?
Something very confusing.
It is very complicated, my lord, because the landowners also they come after 40 years, my lord.
Mr. Sula, you file an affidavit
Lordship.
showing you the reasons for non-preparation, and depending on that, let the other side as well.
Lordship will file. I will.
That is
here
because you see, like the way things are going on, then where we'll end up, we do not know.
My lord. But here what happened actually, my lord?
But the file remains, Your Lordship. So far, our party is concerned, Your Lordship. A draft award has already been forwarded to the ministry.
Give us at least give us a copy of
But
that.
then, see, if land acquisition proceeding is not initiated, what is the problem for you to prepare the estimate? Estimate has nothing to do with the initiation of proceeding.
Lordship, so far.
You say 23 villages, no proceeding has been initiated. So you give the details, then the required work will be done for directing the collector to initiate the proceeding. If you do not do that, what is the question? then?
Lordship, kindly have below also in that letter, Your Lordship. We'll issue a preliminary notification, Your Lordship. This the process will take place, Your Lordship. The process will certainly take place.
No, what is to be done now? Just say. What order
My
should
lord,
pass?
may I just clarify just 1 minute. May I just clarify what happened, my lord? Then you also will be able to appreciate. This border fencing, earlier it was a pillar only, my lord, cemented pillar. That was done in 1980s sometime with Bangladesh, my lord. And for that, the Ministry of Home Affairs gave the full contract to BRO, my lord, Border Roads Organization. That happened in 80s and 90s, my lord. Now, in 2010 sometime, my lord, because of disturbance in a decision was taken to now do proper fencing in the border. Now, only for doing proper border fencing, some alignment is required here and there. So, for that purpose, some extra, that is what the ministry was under the impression, there is some extra land here and there only for realignment purpose, and for that we have to pay the land compensation, my lord. For that 55 crore rupees something has been deposited. I'll just point out that figure, my lord.
So on what basis you deposited that 55 crore?
But that was the estimate given by the state government, my lord.
With regard to which place?
Just take out the affidavit.
That is with regard to Bagmara, Your Lordship.
5 crore for Ampati.
Oh, Ampati, I'm sorry, Ampati, Your
5 crore
Lordship.
something for
Ampati.
Ampati.
No, you say 55 crore.
Ampati.
My lord, if my lord, I just.
I'll just, let me just complete. After that, my lord, the petitioners have come before this honorable court that originally when the 1980s land was taken for border pillar, even that time no compensation was paid. So that is a question now, that is a origin. Now central government asked
But then that will merge with the present acquisition.
No,
See,
my lord, what happened? I'll just explain, my lord. Earlier for border pillar, my lord, for example, this land was
we
taken.
got your point. Got your thing.
Now for fencing, there's a proper alignment is required.
It's
So
okay, but then proper alignment is required. But then the earlier boundary marks will remain within that only.
yes, my lord.
Then
So
they
now
can
the
be taken together.
no, now the question
Pay
is
together.
no, my lord. The government of India is under the impression that in 1980s, when the border fencing was done, compensation has duly been paid to them. They come after 40 years, my lord, some 30, 35, 40 years, saying that even at that point of time, no compensation was paid to them, my lord. So that is why central government asked state to please verify your records, whether compensation was paid at that point of time or not. What is the additional compensation to pay? Please give us calculation.
See, your verification, if you take 20 years, you cannot tell the petitioners to wait for 20 years. See, that is not.
Well, that is what. Well, that is why because
we do not understand also just because they make a claim which is related to 30, 40 years back, that should basically deter you from making current assessment.
Well, this has to
Cannot
be done.
basis.
Well, this has to be done by the
If
state.
you say that, you see, like earlier boundary fence was erected at that time, you see,
Well,
boundary pillars that did not come.
we have
they
nowhere denied, my lord. We have not said that we will not pay any.
But then you see, like just for procedural thing, this matter is.
Well, we are not even on procedure, my lord. The state government has to go to the boundary, my lord, identify the landowner and measure how much land has been taken from.
So nobody is doing anything, it seems like.
The state will have to do that.
See, Mr. Sula, your submission, your thing is only on.
Can you see, Your Lordship? Can you see, Your Lordship?
No, you see, how can that be a basis that no like, acquisition process has been initiated in respect of 23
Lordship,
villages? That's why you cannot. Draft means you see, you have to give the estimate, nothing else.
The process of acquisition will take place, Your Lordship. The instruction is pretty clear.
You
Your
give him the estimate, otherwise, how will pay you money?
That we have sought the the thing from the respective deputy commissioner.
Just see how many orders we have passed for all along, giving you time for preparation of draft
It's true,
award.
Your Lordship. It's, Lordship, because these are very old, Your Lordship, as my friend had submitted 80s, 90s, Your Lordship.
No, that is not correct, my lord. Just I can apprise this honorable court, my lord. There was a pillar which is erected, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, they have fenced it. They have fenced it and they have taken out the land from the pillar to the fence. We are claiming compensation for that land, my lord. We are not saying beyond the pillar.
No, even if you claim for pillars also, land for pillars also, that can be taken care of with the same proceeding. What is the problem?
And my lord, we kindly
see, earlier a small part of your land was taken, now bigger part.
Now bigger part because of the fencing.
That is
one more thing, my lord. Now they are after these writ petitions, after 2020, my lord. After 5 years, they are realizing all this, my lord. When there was a bit of pressure, my lord.
We can understand. See, Mr. Dey, the thing is that you have to get money for your land, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. There is no doubt.
Now the court cannot pay you.
My lord.
Now there has to be some.
My lord, kindly see, even the writ petition, they have not mentioned how much of their land has been taken, my lord. Each landowner, 50 people will come, file one joint writ petition, my lord. No,
My lord, that has to be determined by the state,
But
my
then
lord.
you also have not denied that you have taken over their land.
Yes.
Well, we are saying because at every time, whenever
you being state, is it
whenever
not that your all work is aimed at public welfare? That is it not? Now, if you take up some land, you must know what land you have taken, how much land you have taken.
My lord, it is always
Just
done
because
with.
somebody is silent
It is
would
always
mean
done
that
with.
you deprive.
My lord, it is always done with the assistance of the state government, my lord.
So far as
All
Southwest,
central
You
projects are with the state
coordinate.
government.
See, it seems there is no coordination and you are making these people suffer.
Well, it is not our fault, my lord. The state has, because ministry has asked them to please.
Just only file an affidavit. You see, like now it comes to fixing of responsibility. File an affidavit and the brigade will pass some order. It is not the way it should go
so
on.
far as Southwest is concerned, Lordship, that,
This is
that
something.
details of land is also there. How much land has been acquired, for how many villages, Lordship. All the details is given, Lordship.
We'll do that, Your Lordship.
Now the
We'll,
problem
we'll
started
find a
with the
small,
enactment of the new act, Lordship.
Okay.
It's not a question of act. Act is not coming. Is not an obstacle anywhere, my lord.
They have come late, Your Lordship. They should wait, Your Lordship.
Despite
My lord, may I just submit, my lord.
in spite of,
It's okay.
My
The
lord.
state is filing.
this is already been taken.
My lord, let the state file affidavit, my lord. They are giving a time frame within which they will proceed for land acquisition. We are not contesting for the amount because they are yet to determine the award.
See, contesting for the amount that will be.
Yes,
that's
yes,
not-
yes. They are only, Your Lordship, correctly expressed. Let the government give a affidavit, undertaking within how many months they will proceed the land acquisition proceeding and complete the matter. Otherwise, it will keep on continuing.
See,
The ball is between the union of and the state only.
let them tell the reason for what they have not done, and they will tell the time frame within which they are likely to complete.
And can I make a prayer for with regard to the Ampati Lordship, that there are two writ petitions, the item number 18 and 19, Lordship. So, dealing from the matter of South Norwest, Lordship. Because my case that because 10% there is no dispute with regard to the.
Just a minute. Just hold it. Just. No. Yes. In spite of several orders granting time to the state respondent for preparation of final draft award, it appears that nothing has been done by this judge. Nothing has been done. We said in fact the grant of state respondent, isn't it, Mr.? Nothing has been done. Stop. Today again, a prayer has been made on behalf of the state to grant more time for preparation of draft award, as according to the state, that according to the state, no land acquisition proceeding has been initiated in respect of 23 villages.
Many villages are there.
No, you say, Mr. Sulai, in your instruction,
Lordship.
with the first paragraph, last 3 lines, the amount of compensation that was prepared by the Judicial Commission of South Garo Hills, Bagmara was only an estimate on the basis of assessment only.
Lordship, yes.
So the draft award cannot be final without land acquisition.
Yes, these are
we
all.
have not asked you to prepare for final draft. What is the question of final draft?
This is only all estimate, Your Lordship.
What is the last line? Just what is the last? And then hence draft award could not be prepared in respect to those villages. In respect to the said villages. In respect to the said villages. It is submitted that a draft award with regard to land, with regard to Ampati village.
Ampati, Your Lordship.
Yes, with regard to Ampati village.
Ampati district also.
No, that is Southwest Garo Hill District, Ampati, Your Lordship.
With regard to Ampati village in the South Garo Hills. Just tell us the start of the line. Has already been forwarded to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Long back. And 10% of the land compensation, 10% of the estimated land compensation has been disbursed. However, it is stated that compensation cannot be paid however, it stated that the same could not be done in respect of Bagmara in South Garo Hills district. Yes. No fund has been made available by the Union of India.
Lordship, yes. So far, Ampati, Your Lordship, we have forwarded the draft award to the Ministry, Your Lordship. So once they place the fund with us, certainly they will be paid. But so far, Bagmara, Your Lordship, the process is on, Your Lordship.
Give a paragraph. Dr. Majika, appearing for the Union of India, submits that since the state respondent has not forwarded any estimate in the form of draft award to the Union, since the state government has not forwarded first award, comma, the central government or the union government could not take any step in this regard, as the amount required for the purpose of acquisition is not made known to them, known to the department. Step he submits. The preparation of estimate is over. The preparation of estimate is to be done by the state, and the union can only act on the basis of the estimate which is forwarded to them.
The amount is already there. No? Draft over. There can be no draft over.
Step paragraph. It appears from the above that there is no real coordination between the state and the union insofar as the acquisition of land in this matter is concerned. Step. The state respondent is therefore directed to file an affidavit stating therein the reason for non-preparation of draft award.
Lordship, so far I'm party that draft award is already made, Your Lordship.
What you say? Statement is therefore directed to file an affidavit for non-preparation of draft award in spite of availing a repeated extension of time granted by the court. Stop. The reason that the land acquisition proceeding has not been initiated in respect of 23 villages cannot be a ground for non-preparation of estimate, for estimating, for intimating the union, intimating the central government about the
estimated cost of the compensation. That is what Dr. Mozikai is seeking for.
About the likely cause of compensation, because we have used that word estimated before this. Stop. As it is submitted that the draft award has already been forwarded to the ministry with regard to Ampati village, this order. But then you have already said, just don't say, just in regard to, just only say in regard to the place. In regard to the place for which the draft, in regard to the village in respect of which a draft award has been forwarded, draft award forwarded and 10% of land acquisition has been paid. 10% of 10% of the land acquisition compensation has been paid, the reason for non-payment of rest of the 90% amount should also be stated. That is all right. So you can say that you can shift the burden to the union also. Then thereafter we'll pass.
Lordship, as I have submitted, Lordship, we have.
So you just say specifically the fund has not been.
90% have not come, Lordship.
Yes. Okay. So that is what shall also be stated.
Only, Lordship, may I pray, Lordship, only sufficient time may kindly be allowed, Your Lordship, because what happened so far, Bakmara is concerned, Your Lordship, because
We are not saying that you prepare a draft. You are saying that you file an affidavit stating your reason for non-preparation. Because what you say that the land acquisition proceeding has not been initiated for 23 village is a reason for non-preparation of
what
draft.
I mean to
that is not
what I
a
mean to
reason.
submit, what I mean to submit, Your Lordship, because we'll file a compact affidavit indicating also the status of Bakmara, Your Lordship. Because the government has asked the deputy commissioner to
The
submit
time frame for my lord. The time frame.
Yes, the statement also reflect the status of acquisition proceeding in respect of Bagwara village.
South Karo Hills district, Bakmara.
District. Now, paragraph. You see, how long will it take?
If Lordship kindly allow us 2 months time.
For filing affidavit, my lord.
For you just state reason why you have not done it. We are not saying that you prepared a draft. We are saying that you give a reason why you have not done it.
Let it be 4 weeks then, Your Lordship. 2 weeks.
4 weeks are too long.
Seems to be too
for
much.
filing affidavit.
Because, Your Lordship, we'll bring everything.
See,
even
Mr.
for
Fly, perhaps see, it is not that we are directing you to prepare it. You should tell us the reason why you are not preparing.
Your Lordship, yes.
Or
Then
if you say
let
that
be
you will
2
be
weeks.
doing it within 3 weeks, then we will
Let
file
it
a final order that, and failing which we will draw contempt.
Then let it be 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
See, there is no other option, you see, like this court has given you time repeatedly.
Let it be 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
The affidavit as referred to shall be filed within a period of 3 weeks.
Let them just spell out the time frame, my lord. Spell out the time frame. It's required. In the affidavit.
We'll file the affidavit
First, let us get the reason, then we will fix this. Let us see what is the reason. And Dr. Moji,
Deeply obliged, Your
it is for public welfare also. It is not that you have to wait for court's order for doing something.
For us, there is nothing.
How many communication you have made to the state? Are you putting any effort?
It's not nothing, Your Lordship. Party.
You also need to make this official state officials move.
There is an online meeting with the revenue secretary. I can also bring that on record.
My lord, the seriousness of this proceeding is yet to appreciate by the
Until and unless
authorities.
something is done, you see, court all along is very soft on the officials. But then until and unless now harsh method is applied, nothing would be done. That is what it appears to me. Now, only thing is that, as the principle of natural justice, we will just hear your version and then we will pass order accordingly. There is no other option. There is no other option.
My lord, can I make a submission, Lord?
Yes.
Because so far as since that is for the benefit for the state as well as the Union of India, if that item number 18 and 19 is dealing, Lordship, so that they can separately, they can follow up the matter, Lordship.
Let us see, they will say, what about 90% of the empathy also?
No, Lordship.
Because you are empathy, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
So we will just see after taking the affidavit, they
Lordship.
required.
Yes.
We will segregate these two again.
Yes,
And then we'll just.
Lordship.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Must.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Hearing item number 23.
Yes, what is this?
Yes, Your Lordship, we need to file the objection regarding to the miss case number 80 for substitute.
Yes,
The
come to
100
the miss case number 80. Okay, pass order as spread for by MS.
SG Matna.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. For the 2 weeks time. 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Time is granted for filing objection in the matter list accordingly. And then in the main case, you just say list along with miss case number 80 of so and so. Okay? Yes.
Okay, that's Your Lordship.
26.
Yes, madam. Tell now what has happened.
Lordship, I'm praying 2 weeks' time to file additional affidavit in this matter.
Yes, so there is an order to do that, you see. You should point it out. You see, like you should verify whenever you stand up before the court, please bother to check the previous order.
Yes, Lordship.
And then you tell.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, one prayer made by MS so and so Lord Council.